In this video you're gonna see step by step how to replace the spark plugs from this BMW 1 series. The change interval should be around 100,000 kilometers. So let's see, the only special tool you're gonna need is a 14mm 12-point spark plug socket. Let's take out this cover, and attached to the cover you're gonna find these two vacuum hoses. Now we get access to the coil packs, so we need to remove them. When you remove the connector, it's very tight in here and it's very likely that you're gonna damage the wires. It's a good idea to inspect the wires for any cracks. Now, always when you remove the coil packs, install them in the same position you found them. And if one of the coil packs is stuck, like this one, then you need to gently try to pry it out like this. So we've got cylinder 1, cylinder 2. Try to help a little bit the coil pack, and then it will come out by itself. Now if you have some pressurized air, it's a good idea to spray it inside there to eliminate any kind of debris which might enter inside the cylinders. Now let's remove the plugs again with this 14mm 12-point. And the spark plugs needs to come out easy. I'm expecting to find some long spark plugs. So this is the original spark plug. A lot of people ask me to show this number. Now, as you can see, this is the old spark plug and it's in a very good condition. Also, you can see the tip is not worn up at all. And the gap has to be 0.7 millimeters or 0.028 inch. So if I place my gap tool here, it matches perfectly without any play. These spark plugs are in very good condition, therefore they do not need replacement actually. Even though this car has 95,000 kilometers. I'm gonna inspect all of them because who knows, maybe somebody replaced this only. So I'm gonna install it back. Always tight the spark plugs first by hand. You need to be able to feel those threads in there. Okay, so now the torque spec is 23 Newton meters or 18 foot-pounds, and make sure that the threads are dry and there is no oil on them. Okay, so here we've got the same situation, it looks like. And you can see something interesting here on this spark plug. This side, it's a little bit covered in burnt oil, but the other side is completely clean. And this is basically telling us that this side was towards the intake manifold, where the intake valves are situated. So if you've got oil leaks inside the intake manifold, you can see how it can affect basically the spark plug. But anyway, the gap is okay. Alright, so I've done the same on the other spark plugs and they look okay. I can install back the coil packs. Okay, just place the connector on and then you can press the coil pack. So insert the coil pack a little bit, place the connector on and secure it. Let's place the cover back and don't forget about these vacuum hoses. One will go here and one here. And finally, have a nice day, take care, and I will see you in the next video.